Good morning, everybody. Welcome to episode 2, and today is our last day here in the grill. So today, pretty much, guys, the plan is to just wake the guys up right now. I'm the first one awake. It's 8:18 in the morning. We're still in the grill, but we're going to Ocho Rios within, I'll say, 3 hours. So now we have to find a bus and everything, guys. And, just start the day off and good and happy. So let's go wake these guys up. Wake your ass up, boy. Good morning, son. Good morning. How are you doing? It's Tuesday and it's our last day here in the grill. Let's wake up. Let's wake up. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go get Kenny, guys. Watagwan, man. Good morning, man. It's time to wake up, sir. It's time to leave, baby. Let's get it, guys. Yeah, everybody's still kind of in their sleepy pants, but it's all good though. It was a long day yesterday. We did a lot of cliff diving and snorkeling and just we were out the whole time yesterday, as you guys seen in the last episode. And let's see what we have in store for today, guys. Alright guys, so we're now here on the side of the road. We went to the bus station to check in. Pretty much we have like an hour and a half left. So right now we're gonna go get something to eat, get some breakfast, because we're hungry with all this energy, guys. So yeah, guys, so come enjoy this while we get something to eat. Good morning, Mama Flo. How you doing, Mama Flo?
We're back.
We're back to try your delicious food.
Yeah, I thought you guys had gone.
Nah,
we leave later at 1. Hey, so we just got done eating at Mama Flo's again. It was delicious. It was some great food. Now we're going to the bus station to get to the Ocho Rios.
Alright guys, so now we're on the bus and I was pretty much 3.5 hours ride to Ocho Rios.
It's another plane ride.
I'm sick and tired, I should go alone. Ain't got the time to make it work alone. I was betting on you, yeah. You got the promise. 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 You got the promise of being someone to love. You make me promise to treat you just like you are. I'm sick and tired of being the one you judge. I'm sick and tired. You got the promise of being someone to love. You make me promise to treat you just like you are.
Alright guys, so we finally arrived here in Ocho Rios. Now we're just waiting for our rider to come pick us up and explore the beautiful life of Ocho Rios. Bro. Alright guys, so we're here with, what's your guys' name again?
A 1 ox. It used to be small axe,
Yeah,
but we just drop it a 1 ox.
1 ox.
Yeah, 1 ox.
What about you?
Yeah man, my name is Michael Dona, aka Madner's the dancer. Yeah man, I'm a dancer, man, look, I DJ a little bit here. Me like a rapper, but I'm a DJ. But I have a new dance named T-Teckle. T-Teckle, I'll show you a little piece of the dance, okay? Yeah man, voila. Go and do that dance first, okay? T-Teckle. Go there, chop, chop, chop. Alright. Up. T Tea.
Tea.
Whoa.
Okay, well,
And next
okay.
dance I have near Happy Time. Happy Time. Happy Time. Whoa.
Happy time.
Alright. Me find a brand new dance again. Me find a brand new dance again. I'm so happy. Whoa. Me find a brand new dance again. Me find a brand new dance again.
Yeah, man.
one love.
Let's say
respect,
one love,
respect.
one love.
Alright,
like
yeah,
that,
look
like
at
that.
spit now.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
And remember, a 1axe79@gmail.com.
Yeah.
You can link me there, sir.
Remember, people.
AONEAXE79@gmail.com. A 1axe.
Nice. Check them out, guys.
Yeah, alright.
God bless Jamaica.
Ah, yeah,
So
man.
one of the
Because there's big food stores, you see, and we can usually buy some necessities or whatever.
Yeah, why not?
And I'll take you back to the house first, drop your things off, and then come back. I've got from the barber's medicine back.
Perfect. And so we're here shopping in the middle of a Jamaican store, trying to get some things like toothpaste and all that type of stuff.
Yeah, keep going in here. Good morning, you guys. It's day 4 now. We're about to go to eat some breakfast. We're at Maria's house. Very nice host, very nice lady, very laid back. We're gonna go get some breakfast. Then we're gonna go into Blue Hole. Here's Fernando petting Maria's dog.
Go to Dunn's River Blue Hole, go see some beautiful exotic places of Jamaica, and but first we have to get some breakfast to get energized. What's up, mommy?
Say something before you talk. I don't wanna make it hard for you. Broke down, you've been looking for parts of me. This time I'm just looking to part from you. For you it's a red sign, for me it's the right time. Like green lights in the sky, and the sun sets in the west and it goes by. This time I'ma drive, this life is a ride. Make sure that you live it, make sure that you try. Promise you I won't stop, not until I get by. Take a minute, just breathe. Take a second, don't cry.
Who had thought that I could be alone? You lost your powers over me.
What are you thinking right now, Kenny?
Real excited to go jump in the Blue Hole. It's been on top of my list the whole time. Trying to get
Other
there.
than Rick's Cafe?
I love jumping off the cliffs into water.
Go in, I got some guests for you, but you've got to take them everywhere, up far, because when you skive off work and I'm forced to have someone else, they take me to places you've never shown me.
Oh, yeah.
Well, you said we can't go up there because, and you give me some crap story. These guys have got to go far up. Can you manage it, or shall I go and get someone else?
The water is heavy today, a little bit heavy.
So no one's going in?
Yeah, they're going in, but we're not going to be able to go all the way up.
Don't. You give me a story every time to stop me
No,
going.
man, they can take a look.
I'm not coming in because you mash my feet up. He has to carry me. We go in. I'm like, I can't walk. He has to carry me all the way back. But keep chilling.
This can park right there.
Well, they're getting out here now.
No problem.
But this is the way. The way.
Boys to play all the time.
So now we're making our way up this 5-minute hike. Gonna go to another waterfall. See when the guys jump. Fernando, how was your jump?
Pretty dope. I liked it. Water's not that bad. Ready to do some more. Alright guys, so that was us at Blue Hole, just diving, enjoying the waters, and now we're here in Ochi Bay Beach in Ocho Rios.